Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. It's an absolute pleasure to be here in Surrey, British Columbia at the Automotive Training Centre Surrey campus. I want to tell you, I love talking to people that like getting their hands in the mix, fixing things, and that's exactly where we are today. On that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what program you're in.
So my name is Owen Alford. I am an auto student here at Automotive Training Centre Surrey campus, and I've really enjoyed my time here. I get a lot of hands-on experience. I really like working on cars, so it was really good for me to just find a small, tightly knit community.
Oh, and has cars has always been in your life? Is it always something you wanted to do?
I've always been good with my hands, so
Yeah.
like, as a kid I loved Legos and stuff, so yeah, I just love building things, so
Right.
cars included, man, all of that, yeah.
Good with your hands. I love that. And you found a program here. Talk to me about your experience, sort of like when you were looking for courses to take and to upskill yourself. Why did the Automotive Training Centre stand out to you?
I found it very difficult to find a place that was hands-on all the time. A lot of the programs I found, they were all mostly theory, I found, and so Automotive Training Centre was one of the few schools in the Lower Mainland that I saw that was very hands-on with their students. So I really like that compared to a lot of the other programs here. So.
The other good thing that these regulated colleges are just so good at is that they put instructors in front of you who've got a lot of experience, people that you're learning from. They've been around the block. Talk to me about the importance of that for you.
I think that like a smaller community is really good when it comes to like teaching, because it's more time one-on-one. I feel like a lot of like the bigger schools, you don't really get as much one-on-one time with your teacher and stuff.
Right.
So when you're put in a smaller group, I find it's easier to learn, easier to cooperate and communicate with others. And, yeah.
How far are you into the program now?
I finished in September. I started in November.
So you finished this coming September?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What does the perfect job look like for you? What's that dream job look like for you?
I would say I want to be a shop owner one day.
Okay.
So I want to own my own shop.
You got that entrepreneurial bug as well, eh?
Exactly. Yes,
Good
sir.
for you.
Yes, sir.
And I'd be remiss if I didn't ask this final question. What's your favorite car to work on?
I like Dodges. I like Dodges.
Yeah?
Easy designs. Good engineering for the most part.
Is that right?
For the most part, yeah.
Good.
I like them. Yeah, yeah.
It's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thanks for joining us.
Awesome.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcentre.com.